We need to determine the value of the given trigonometric expression. Let us begin. So here we have cosine of 2 pi over 15 multiplied to cosine of 4 pi over 15 times cosine of 8 pi over 15 times cosine of 14 pi over 15. Now what we'll do, we will multiply this entire expression with 2 times sine 2 pi over 15. However, this is an extra factor that we are multiplying to the original expression, so we'll have to divide it by 2 times sine of 2 pi over 15. But once we do that, what we'll get is 1 over 2 times sine 2 pi over 15. And this will be multiplied to 2 times sine of 2 pi over 15 times cosine of 2 pi over 15 multiplied to cosine of 4 pi over 15 times cosine of 8 pi over 15 times cosine of 14 pi over 15. Now if we look at these two expressions, 2 times the product of 2 times sine 2 pi over 15 times cosine 2 pi over 15, this is equivalent to 2 sine theta times cosine theta. And that's nothing but sine of 2 theta. We're going to apply this particular formula, which will give us 1 over 2 times sine 2 pi over 15. Now what's 2 sine 2 pi over 15 times cosine 2 pi over 15? That's simply sine of 2 times 2 pi over 15 multiplied to the three other cosine functions. So now what we will get is 1 over 2 times sine 2 pi over 15 multiplied to sine, so 2 times 2 pi over 15, that becomes 4 pi over 15 multiplied to cosine 4 pi over 15. And we have the remaining two cosine function, cosine of 8 pi over 15 times cosine of 14 pi over 15. Now again what we'll do, we'll multiply with a factor 2, but that's an extra factor that we're multiplying, so we'll divide by 2 as well. Now again 2 sine 4 pi over 15 times cosine 4 pi over 15. Here this becomes the form 2 sine theta cosine theta, such that we now get 1 over 2 squared sine 2 pi over 15. So this will become, this will get multiplied to sine of, we'll get 2 times 4 pi over 15, which is nothing but 8 pi over 15 multiplied to cosine of 8 pi over 15 times cosine of 14 pi over 15. Now sine 8 pi over 15 cosine 8 pi over 15 can be converted into this particular formula if we multiply 2 to it, and this is an extra 2 that we are multiplying, so we'll again divide by 2. Now we will get 1 over, so 2 times 2 squared, that will be 2 cubed, which is 8. We have 8 sine 2 pi over 15 multiplied to sine of 2 times 8 pi over 15, so that will give us 16 pi over 15 multiplied to cosine of 14 pi over 15. So now it will be difficult for us to combine sine 16 pi over 15 with cosine 14 pi over 15 because the angle measures are different in each case. However, we can simplify it. So let's say we start with sine 16 pi over 15. Now this can be also expressed as sine of pi plus pi over 15. Means exactly the same thing, but once we do that, we are going to get negative sine pi over 15. So here we are using the fact that if we take sine of pi plus theta, so that becomes equivalent to negative sine theta. Now coming to the cosine function, we have cosine of 14 pi over 15. Now we can rewrite 14 pi over 15 as pi minus pi over 15. So pi minus pi over 15 is going to give us negative cosine pi over 15. Meaning what we have done here, we have used the fact that if we take cosine of pi minus theta, we should get negative cosine theta. Okay, so we can now rewrite our expression as 1 over 8 times sine of 2 pi over 15 multiplied to, we have now negative sine. In place of 16 pi over 15, we have negative sine pi over 15. This will get multiplied to negative cosine pi over 15. Okay, so the negative and negative will multiply with each other to become positive. So we get sine pi over 15 multiplied to cosine pi over 15. To it, and this is divided with 8 times sine of 2 pi over 15. Now what we'll do, we'll multiply the numerator with 2, so we'll have to divide by 2 as well. So the numerator now becomes sine of 2 times pi over 15. So we have sine 2 pi over 15 in the numerator, divided by 2 times 8, that's going to be 16. 16 multiplied to sine 2 pi over 15. Now sine 2 pi over 15 gets factored out, and that leaves us with the final value 1 over 16. That means the value of the given trigonometric expression equals to 1 over 16.